jobs and not speak up.
You also need diverse folks in places of power, actually, because
Yes.
diverse workforce is one thing, but if leadership is not diverse or senior management is not diverse, that can also mean that people don't feel necessarily that they have avenues to raise issues with. It might feel that they look at the company and still don't necessarily see it as a place that is truly diverse in terms of everybody's job path. Keep those thoughts coming. Do you work in a diverse space? You can WhatsApp 018-789-8899. Tweet us at BFM Radio. We're going to be continuing discussing work actually after the 6 o'clock news. I'm quite excited to do this topic. Apparently, in our region, Indonesia is leading the way when it comes to implementing AI in the workplace, and we're going to be talking about that and what we can learn. But we also want to know, have you started using AI at work? When we last asked this, it was early days, so I think now more people might be doing it. Where do you see it being most helpful, most productive? You can call, send us a voice note, tweet us. Keep it here, BFM 89.9.
Keep right to
What
Kawasan
is love?
Perindustrian
Is
Bukit
it a
Raja.
flawless diamond ring? A romantic escape to an exotic island? Maybe it's getting a 1 million ringgit insurance plan and making your darling the nominee. For the cheapest life insurance for women and some men too, visit www.fi.life. Plus, get 10% off your first year premium with promo code LOVE. Only on www.fi.life.
The news on BFM